Everyone thinks that I have it all, but it's so empty living behind these castle walls. These castle walls. If I should tumble, if I should fall, would anyone hear me screaming behind these castle walls? There's no one here at all behind these castle walls.
Observing the estate through the gate from the outside looking in. Bet you would think I got it made, better look again. I got a butler, got a maid, and a mansion. Need belief is that I'm living out a millionaire's fantasy with phantoms and Ferraris in the driveway. But you see, it came in exchange of a sane man's sanity. Your vision jaded by the Grammys on the mantelpiece. Just switch your camera lenses, you will see the agony. Apparently it's damaging the man you see before you on the canvas. He may seem alright, but all the distance seem like king life seemed glamorous. It's seen through the eyes of untrained